today's busy and stressful life, we see most of the people actually feel lonely from inside. And to get rid of it, they try to find solace in the fake company of others, which makes them feel more isolated. I don't know why people are afraid so much of being lonely. Why they try to avoid it so much when it is actually a blissful time which you can spend with yourself. Well, being a loner is not at all a problem, but when you try to avoid it for a longer time, it can affect you adversely. The more you ignore loneliness, the more it will trouble you. You see, when you even ignore some person, also, he or she will come after you more and try to find the reason for your ignorance. And when they will get no answer from your side, they will evolve negative feelings for you. In the same way, when you neglect your lonesome time, it will bother you negatively. Now, here, I want to tell you one more thing. See, it is usually said that loneliness leads to depression and anxiety. But let me make it clear it is just a myth. It's just the way of thinking like that. It's only the matter of perception, which make us feel melancholic due to spending of a lonesome time. And then we get trapped into our own illusion of emptiness. We feel more and more dejected and despondent, when actually this alone time is the best part of our lives, which can fill us with sense of gratification. So turn this negative loneliness into the positive solitude. Learn to embrace it and be filled with joy and happiness. Don't think solitude as your enemy. In fact, it is your most loyal friend, as it is always there for you and will never leave you nor will judge you. And remember one thing, when you are with no one, you are actually saved from the negative aura and envy of other people. In fact, when we try to seek the company of others, we tend to forget about ourselves. We even change our opinions in order to just get fit in the group of people. In getting involved in such useless tasks of seeking acceptance and impressing others, we forget to accept ourselves and feel perturbed from inside. Hence, welcome this solitary life where you will feel more self fulfilled and complete within yourself. You will fill with certainty. Adopt the path of spirituality. Make God your companion. Accept the way you are. Spend some time with yourself and meet the real and improved version of yours. Spend some time with nature and make peace within yourself. Remember, this solitary life is the heavenly life which will lead to the path of enlightenment. So, express gratitude for it. Now, you don't need anyone because you are complete within yourself. Now, promise with yourself one thing, you will never feel desolated. In fact, feel more accomplished whenever the feelings of loneliness knocks at your door. And most of the time, you have to spend with yourself, so make yourself as interesting as possible. Just keep in mind this important thing: the worst in life is attachment. It hurts when you lose it. The best thing in life is loneliness. It teaches you everything, and when you lose it, you get everything. Lastly, just remember this thing: you came alone in this life and will go alone.